Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to Thursday, November 5th, 2020. Will you please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now our pledge to the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary has a right to feel safe, loved, and respected, at home, on the bus, and during the school day. If anyone at home, on the bus, or at school makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, please tell someone. Tell a parent, your teacher, the counselor, the principals, or any other trusted adult. We do have one birthday wish in the house. Happy birthday to Cesar D. in first grade. We hope you have a lovely birthday. The Character Education theme for the month of November is fairness. Abraham Lincoln, one of America's most beloved presidents, had this to say about fairness. These men asked for just the same thing, fairness and fairness only. This, so far as in my power, they and all others shall have. Abraham Lincoln ended up giving his life as a result of his struggle to ensure fairness for all. We do have a couple of announcements. There is still time to join the PTA. School shirts are still on sale. And we had a mock election here on campus, and 241 students voted. Out of the 241 students, 72% of those voted for Joe Biden as their president, and 27% voted for Donald Trump as their president. So, with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not, the choice is yours.